Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chatilsha, and today's picker card reading is to receive guidance for the week starting August 17, 2020 to August 23rd, 2020. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. If you would like to contribute to me and my channel, please do so. Links have been mentioned in the description box below. Any contribution, small, medium, or large, is highly appreciated. So, let me introduce you to the three piles we have for today's pick a card reading. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. Select any pile that you are drawn to and then hop into the description section where the timestamps have been mentioned. So without any further ado, let's begin with pile number 1. Today's pick a card reading, we have tarot cards for the weekly guidance and Osho Zen tarot card for receiving guidance for the inner work that you need to do and an angel guidance message. So the first card we have for pile number 1 is Two of Wands. Second card is the Magician. Third card is the Tower. So with these three cards, the angels and the universe is asking you to look beyond what is visible right now. Please don't just look for the short-term benefits or any short-term views about your future. Think about the long term and what you would like to achieve in the long term. As you broaden your horizons, many new opportunities will open for you. Short-term benefits and short-term results will take you only to a limited destination and will hold you back. Whereas when you look into the long term and what you would like to receive and achieve in the long term, with the Magician card you will have the power to manifest everything. So the second card we have is the Magician, which says that you have got all the powers and potential to reach your desired destination. So you need to believe in yourself and take right actions to reach where you would like to go. And with the Tower card, in this week something very major is going to happen in your life. However, you need not worry because after this sudden change and sudden announcement that you will receive this week, many new blessings are coming your way. So along with this person falling down, I also see the crown highlighting in the card. So though you may fall down or you may feel that things are not going anywhere and how come the universe do such a thing to you, remember, because there is something major that is going to happen in the future. You are not ready to have it in your life, so the universe had no option but to bring you to these circumstances where you had to be thrown to receive the blessings. So in this week, look beyond what is possible and believe that you can have anything and everything that you put your mind into, because you have all the tools you require to be successful. However, do not get worried about a chaos that would happen in your life, because it is telling you to look long term and not just pursue short term goals and destinations. So what inner work do you need to do this week to overcome this obstacle? Let's see. So we have awareness. So what a wonderful card we have. Awareness card and the Tower, which tells you to be aware with what is happening in your life, because as you are aware, you will receive the blessings very easily and you will take actions for your future. If you ignore the divine blessings that the universe is giving you, definitely something drastic will happen. However, if you take care and act on it, things will move smoothly for you. The angel advice we have for you, group number 1, is giving and receiving. This is also a wonderful card which tells you to have balance in giving and receiving. Only giving or receiving is going to create an imbalance in your life and will drain your energies. However, when there is an equal giving and receiving, things will start moving smoothly. What you can do is maintain a balance, and if you feel that you are giving too much or receiving too much, choose the other option Like if you are giving too much, start receiving compliments, start receiving small things, or ask your parents, friends, anyone to give you some little things and receive it with gratitude, so that your receiving starts opening up and you are able to receive the divine blessings that are in store for you and are waiting to be accepted by you. And if you have been receiving too much and not giving away things, start giving. Start with donating a small amount or helping someone that you come across, or giving compliments, because that will really balance your giving and receiving, and that will open you to the divine blessings that the universe has in store for you. So I hope you resonated with the reading pile number 1. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you. Also, if you feel like donating, please check the description box below for the links. So pile number 2. Let's see what cards we have for you. So we have tarot cards and Osho's and card to know the inner work that you need to do this week, and angelic messages. So group number 2, let's see. 6 of Cups, 4 of Wands, wonderful, group number 2, and Page of Pentacles. See, this week there's someone from your past who could be entering your life, like an old friend, someone from your past office, because we also have the Page of Pentacles. So I think someone from your work will return, or someone from your old office would contact you. Also, there would be a person coming from your past. This person is the one with whom you will have lots of emotional attachments, as we can see from the cups over here. And this person is going to bring you good news to help you celebrate life and living. So if you had been depressed over the past few months, and if you did not know or have an opportunity to move forward, know that this week is going to bring you blessings. You need to be open to receiving these blessings, is what I am receiving. So if someone from your last few organizations call you, contact you or message you, please do not ignore it. Accept the call and the messages and listen to them carefully, because there would be an opportunity that would help you celebrate in life. Also, for some of you, I see an old relationship coming back. Maybe an ex or a ex-friend or a distant aunt could come to you or could message you, or there would be some messages related to them that you would hear, and something that is related to their celebration is what I see. And I would really suggest you all to be happy if there is something that you hear about your ex-friends or relatives or lovers, because if you celebrate and if you are happy about their celebrations, more opportunities will start flowing in your life. Please do not hold grudges this week, because if you hold such grudges, it would be coming back to you and you will have to face the consequences of it. If money has been stuck for some of you for a long time, expect money to start flowing from this week. Also, if there would be someone who is not paying you the money that you had given to them, contact that person, and definitely that person will start giving you money, is what I am getting. So let's see the inner work that you need to do, group number 2. Control. So with this card, the message that I am getting here is you need to let go of control issues. Everything is not going to happen as per your plan or as you wish. So letting go of control issue is something that will really help you move ahead in your life. As you let go of your nature and of your demand to control people, circumstances, situations, things will start improving, and it will give you opportunities to celebrate as well as help you grow in your career and relationships. Pile number 2. And the angel message we have for pile number 2 is child. Wow. So with this card, the angels are asking you to spend some time with children, because spending some time with children will help you release the old emotions that you have stored inside of you, and there are some emotions that come from your childhood, so releasing that would really help you, pile number 2. Also, if you could spend time in nature around water, it will really help you. Let's see what other message I am getting from this card. So if some of you who have been planning about children or doing some work for children, this card is an indication that if you have been planning to have a baby, you might hear good news in this week. And if you have been planning to do something for children in general, angels are blessing you with divine guidance and support that you need to continue and move ahead in this work. So I hope you all resonated with the reading. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my social media accounts. If you feel generous and would like to donate to my channel, links have been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you. So pile number 3. Let's begin with your reading. We have 3 cards from the Rider-Waite Tarot, which will guide you for this week. A card from Osho Zen Tarot, which will help you know the inner work that you need to do this week, and an angel guidance message. So let's see the tarot cards that we have received for you. The first card is 4 of Cups, 9 of Wands, and the Empress. So pile number 3, what have you been worrying so much? I feel that with these 2 cards, there have been lots of emotions and lots of things happening in your life lately, which make you feel sad and which has your guard up. So with this 2 cards, the angels are asking you to release yourself from the fears that have been holding you back, and stop worrying about missed opportunities and look at the opportunities that are coming your way. Also, the message that I am receiving from this card is that stop sitting idle and start acting, because as you act, you will attract more abundance in your life and more opportunities to be happy and successful. Also, if you have fears about someone harming you or something that is bothering you, the universe is telling you to hand over the fears and the worries to the higher self and let them take care of it. You continue on your path and continue on your work, because as you continue, you will move to a better place, which will help you relax like the Queen Empress over here and help you grow in your life. Also in this week, there would be opportunities given to you where you would feel like an empress, feel abundant, happy, loved, successful, and feel that you have definitely achieved something, a recognition, fame, success that you had been waiting for. So let's see the inner work that you need to do. Comparison. So with this card, the angels and the divine realm are telling you to stop comparing yourself with anyone or anything, because as you start comparing yourself, like if a stone is compared to a bamboo or a tree, definitely there is no comparison. This mountain or this stone is capable of holding things and blocking negativity coming towards the other people or from storm passing and moving to the villages, whereas this stem or this bamboo stem, it is helping to grow and it is nourishing other people. So if you constantly keep on comparing yourself with others or you keep comparing yourself with how much you have succeeded in life, it is only going to give you disappointment. The only person you should compare is with the person you were yesterday or a year back, because that is a true comparison which will help you know how far you have come in your life. And if there are things and occasions where you feel that you have not grown so far, look into the inner work that you need to do to move ahead in your life. There might be something that is missing in your life, something which you are not doing that makes you happy. Like you are doing some things which are forced upon you or which you are doing out of obligation. So with this card, the angels ask you to do things that you love and enjoy, because it will take you to a better place in the future. So let's see the angel advice that we have for you for this week. There's nothing to worry about. So what a wonderful coincidence and sequence to cards that we have received for you guys. So with the 4 of cups, 9 of wands and the comparison card, the angels are asking you there is nothing to worry about. Things have been taken care of. Stop worrying, stop being in disappointment and start acting. Do not compromise, because as you release all those fears, you will reach a place of happiness, fulfillment, abundance. Release all fears and look only upon yourself and your work with the eyes of love, because the angels are taking care of everything behind the scenes. There's nothing to worry about. There is angels, there is peace, there's a rainbow over here, and there is this whole world, the universe, cosmos, everything is there inside this card. So please stop worrying about anything and give your worries to the angels to help you and move ahead in your life in the present week. Also, the important message that I am receiving for you guys is take each day at a time. Don't look into the past things and the missed opportunities that did not happen, and don't plan long term right now, because it will take you nowhere. As you move from a day to day basis in this week, it is going to help you immensely to have a clear picture about what you like, what you do not like, and where you would like to move ahead in your life. And that will definitely help you later to make a long term vision with clear goals and aspirations compared to the frame of mind you are in right now. I hope you resonated with the reading pile number 2. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. If you would like to book a personal reading with me, please message me on my WhatsApp number. And if you feel generous and would like to donate to my channel, please do so. Links have been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.